Once you make a decision, the universe complies to make it happen. Maybe you have heard your life is the result of your decision you made. How do you feel about that? Is this true for you? It is important that from now you are the aware of your power you have over the life by making decision. Every decision, every choices has an influence for your life. Your life is the direction, the result of your choices and decisions you made in past. Every choices carries a consequences. So start make a better choices. Remember, you choose your thoughts, even if your feelings. The most important thing is to make a decision, whether the decision is right or wrong. You will soon receive the feedbacks that will help you to progress. Once you have made a decision, go with it and take a consequences. When it was wrong, then learn from it. Forgive yourself. It was the best right decision to take. Your attitude plus your decision equal to your life. You had the freedom to choose his response. That means you may not be able to control your circumstances that represent you. You can also choose your response in facing circumstances, and by doing so have a huge impact on your life. The most important thing is that how we respond to what happened to us in our lives, and then that is a choice. Do you want to be healthier? Make a better choice about food and exercises. Do you want to be more successful? Make a better choices about what you surrounded yourself with, what you read, what you watch. There is no excuses. What decision you make today to start change? More happy, more positive, more healthier, more successful. Which is one to start change? Write down at least 3 changes that you want to change today. 1, 2 and 3.